In front of me is Motorola Moto G60, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by launching settings and scrolling down to access system. Then click on gestures and tap on one-handed mode. Now, if you are using Tricky's navigation, you need to scroll all the way down and select this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then select OK, and to use one-handed mode, just click on the shortcut. You can go back to the standard screen by tapping on the same one, or by hitting this area at the top. You can even swipe up. Make sure that this option, Pull Screen into Reach, is enabled for one-handed mode to work properly. If you wish to get rid of this shortcut, click on No Blue switcher. If you are using gesture navigation instead of buttons, you can use this switcher next to use one-handed mode instead and follow those instructions. So I need to swipe down from the button of my screen. You can go back by swiping up or by clicking on this area. To turn off one-handed mode completely, click on blue switcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!